Hello guys, Abdul here. In this video, I'm going to show you how we connect our iHand remote control um, to LED bulb. So, if you want to do this, you need a breadboard. This is an iHand remote control receiver. You can get it cheap on Amazon. This is the remote control. Actually, this remote control comes with the iPad, but we use this one instead. So you need your Arduino Uno. Of course, you need some jumper wires. Let's start it. Firstly, you connect your receiver as 3 pins. We have the middle pin is the 5-volt supply, the negative pin, and also the serial pin, which is this one. So you connect it to your breadboard like this. Then let's start connecting the receiver first. So the receiver is connected to the breadboard. So you connect the serial pin to digital pin 6 of the Arduino Uno board. The middle pin of the receiver should be connected to 5-volt supply of your Arduino board, and also the negative pin should be connected to ground. I'm going to use the ground on the breadboard. This has the LED bulbs. Connecting the LED, forgot to mention, you also need a 220 ohm resistor. The long leg of LED, you connect it to the resistor, to one leg of the resistor. So the leg you connected to the resistor, connect it to a digital pin, because we're going to make the connection according to the program here. So the long leg connected to digital pin 13 of the Arduino. And the short leg connected to the common ground. I'll change the LED bulb to blue because that's how I put it in the program. But it doesn't matter which color you use. As long as you get the connection right, it's gonna work. So you connect the blue, the red one leg, which is the long leg, to the one end of the resistor as well. Then the resistor, you connect it to digital pin 12 of your Arduino board. Then the other leg, connect it to ground. I'm gonna use a shorter wire for that. So we connect it to ground. Just gonna get a shorter wire. To the common ground. Now the LED bulbs are connected, as well as the receiver. So what we gotta do is we have to connect the common ground, because they are all sharing the same ground, to ground of the Arduino board. Now that the connection is complete, we're gonna run our program. This is the programming part. First, you need to include the high remote control library from an Arduino. from the Arduino IDE. This is #include R remote R. Then we define the serial pin of the receiver as pin 6. Then int the blue pin, LED pin is defined as pin 12, and the red LED pin is defined as pin 13. So this is the program. I got the program online and I make some modification. I will leave a link in the description where you can copy the program. Now that we've sent the program, we have to connect the program to the Arduino board. Make sure you check your ports. The program is being connected now to the Arduino board. So we have to run the program. Program is running. Good. The program is uploaded. So we're gonna test it now. Now it's being connected. Make some few adjustments in the connection. The ground of the receiver, I connected directly to ground on Arduino board, and also the ground on the board I connect to another ground on the breadboard. That means we have two grounds now. Although I tried to use a common ground, but it's not working, so I used a different ground. Nevertheless, the connection is the same and everything is the same, and it's gonna work great. So if I press the remote, this one, the blue LED is on. Then if I press the forward pin, backward pin, it's off. If I press the escape key, the red is on, and pin 9, it's off. To make it clearer, I'm gonna put off the light here. Now the light is off. On, off, on, off. Now let's try a different remote. Depending on the code on the serial monitor, it can work with any remote. Let me see how it's gonna work if I'm gonna trying a different remote. This one, it was the one that came with the receiver. If I press the pin number 5, it's the same thing. The code is the same thing as the forward pin on this car remote control is on, and if I press this one, it's off. So you see, it can work with any remote as long as the code on the serial monitor is the same, and if not, you can always reprogram it. Okay guys, this is the end of this video here. Please subscribe to my channel and watch out for next upcoming video. It's gonna be about the robotic arm, which I'm working on it on the way, and we're gonna have a nice time together. Okay, thank you. Cheers, mate. Trying a different remote. This one, it was the one that came with the receiver. If I press the pin number 5, it's the same thing. The code is the same thing as the forward pin on this car remote control is on, and if I press this one, it's off. So you see, it can work with any remote as long as the code on the serial monitor is the same, and if not, you can always reprogram it. Okay guys, this is the end of this video here. Please subscribe to my channel and watch out for next upcoming video. It's gonna be about the robotic arm, which I'm working on it on the way, and we're gonna have a nice time together. Okay, thank you. Cheers, mate.